Hey everyone! I don't know about you, but I'm super excited because we're just over a month away from the official reveal of the new iPhone 17 lineup. And yes, this includes the iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Air, the iPhone 17 Pro, and of course, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Today, we are breaking down the top 10 biggest changes, leaks, and rumors we've heard so far about the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, and some of these are seriously surprising. Let's jump right in. Apple's next event will be happening during the second week of September, just over a month away. The main presentation will likely be on Tuesday, September 9th, or Wednesday, September 10th, at 10 a.m. Pacific Time. It will be live streamed from Apple's headquarters in Cupertino, California. No matter where you are, you'll be able to watch the event online. After the event, pre-orders for the new iPhones should start on Friday, September 12th. Then, a week later, on September 19th, the phones will be available in stores. It's exciting news for anyone waiting to upgrade. Now, let's talk pricing. According to recent leaks, Apple is expected to raise prices slightly this year. The iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to start at $1,049 in the US, while the Pro Max will begin at $1,249. That's for the 256GB base model. Prices will, of course, vary depending on region, currency exchange, and import taxes. But in general, we're looking at a $50 increase across the board. Next up, design. Apple is reportedly making some noticeable changes to how the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max look and feel. The camera layout is getting a slight redesign. It'll still sit in a square bump, but the LiDAR sensor and flash are shifting position. More importantly, Apple might be ditching titanium and going back to aluminum for the Pro models. Yes, you heard that right. After using titanium in the iPhone 15 and 16 Pro models, the 17 Pro and Pro Max may switch back to aluminum. That's a bold and unexpected move. Interestingly, the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to use titanium instead, but that's a topic for another video. Let's move on to the camera upgrades. This year, we could finally see all three lenses, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, upgraded to 48 megapixels. That's a major step up from the 12-megapixel telephoto lens currently on the 16 Pro models. But here's where it gets interesting. The zoom capability will differ between the two Pro models. The iPhone 17 Pro may feature up to 5x optical zoom, while the Pro Max is rumored to go up to 8x optical zoom. On top of that, the Pro Max will likely offer superior digital zoom as well. So if zoom is a priority for you, the Pro Max might be the one to go for. Another exciting camera feature is 8K video recording. For the first time ever, an iPhone may support 8K video, thanks to those upgraded 48 megapixel sensors. If you're into content creation or filmmaking, this could be a huge leap forward. Now here's something a bit unexpected. A possible new button. According to a recent leak, Apple may be adding a new button on the same side as the current camera controls. We've seen 3D renders and dummy units without any visible changes, so it's still unclear if this feature will make it to the final model. But if it does, it could open up some interesting new function. Let's talk battery life. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are both expected to get larger batteries this year. We're getting closer and closer to that magical 5,000 mAh mark for the Pro Max, though nothing's confirmed yet. Still, bigger batteries are always good news, especially if you're a heavy user. Under the hood, we're expecting a big performance boost with the all-new A19 Pro chip. This will bring extra GPU cores, faster processing, and improved efficiency. Likely around 25% faster than the A18 Pro. Plus, we're hearing the new chip will come with enhanced Wi-Fi, 5G, and Bluetooth, all based on a modified version of Apple's C1 chip introduced in the iPhone 16e. Charging is getting better too. The iPhone 17 Pro models will likely support Qi 2.0 or possibly Qi 2.2 wireless charging. That means you'll be able to wirelessly charge at speeds up to 25 watts, not just with Apple's MagSafe, but with third-party chargers too. We might also see improvements to wired charging, but we'll have to wait for confirmation on that. And finally, let's talk about cooling. Apple is working on a new vapor chamber system for the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. This means the phone should stay cooler during things like gaming, recording in 4K, or running lots of apps at once. So if your iPhone usually gets hot, this upgrade might be just what you need. Are you excited for the iPhone 17 lineup? Which model are you planning to get? Or are you waiting to see what else Apple announces? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and share this video. And make sure you subscribe to the Spec World channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video and stay blessed.